Hey everyone, I'm Kai. I get a lot of questions about what I do on YouTube, how much money I make, how to get started, questions like that. So I thought I'd do a one-stop shop video answering some of the questions I get the most. I'll leave timestamps in the description so that you can get your answers fast, and if you have any additional questions, comment them down below and I will answer what I can. Let's rock. How much did I make in my first YouTube paycheck? I made $160.48 in my first YouTube paycheck. I got my monetization enabled in February of this year, and it took me 3 months to get my first paycheck. Google AdSense won't send you a check or direct deposit until you've made at least $100 in revenue. Your first paycheck amount will also vary depending on the type of content you make. On top of that, sponsorships, affiliate links, donations, memberships, and merchandise, when you're able to set those up, will affect your YouTube income as well. However, there is something major I don't see enough people talking about. Once you've made $400 through your YouTube, you will need to start doing taxes on that income. Keep that in mind once cash starts to roll in for you. Once you reach that point, make sure you talk to a parental guardian or a tax advisor to help you out. But keep in mind that you'll be able to deduct and write off purchases necessary for your content. So equipment like audio tech, keyboards, mice, software, training, travel, etc. can be deducted. Be cognizant of your earnings and be smart with your finances. Celebrate when you get that first paycheck, but make sure to save and invest so that you can continue to grow. You cherish your equipment so much more when it was earned through the hard work you've put in. I say all of that to get the point across that if you intend on doing YouTube to make bank off the bat, don't do that, because you won't. YouTube is a long-term game. The requirements to enable monetization are pretty high to start. If you want to start making content on YouTube, do it for fun. Do it because you can add a voice and a personality that isn't out there yet. When you start making money on YouTube, it won't be a lot. So make sure that your heart is in the right place if you truly want to be a content creator on this platform. I make video essays on pop culture with a lot of gaming-centric content, but I am still in the creative process of finding my groove and rhythm for how I want to curate my channel. So love what you do. It'll make revenue feel even better when it starts coming in. Do I need to upload every single day? Absolutely not. Quality and consistency matter way more than anything else when you are on your come up. Start by making a video once a week and find the pace that works for you. Just make sure you can keep that pace steady and that you are making content that you are proud of and enjoy. Make sure that you have originality and uniqueness in your content, have thumbnails and titles that capture people's attention, don't put up a fake image of yourself that doesn't truly represent you, put on the best version of yourself when it's showtime. People are drawn to charisma, honesty, and integrity, so have positive energy and vibes in what you do. And be patient. Keep that hustle and grind, and your time will come. What's the best piece of advice I have for beginners? Ensure your mental health is good. I know that can seem like a pretty generic response, but I absolutely mean that. I cannot put into words how helpful it is to find friends and family who enjoy your content, or how important it is to make sure your mindset is positive before you start working on a video. Make sure you got that tight circle of people that truly care about you and your passions. Learn to ignore dislikes and negative comments. You can put your all into a video and make it with the nicest of intentions and still get hate for it. Ignore them. The block button is a powerful tool. Don't feed and give haters what they want by replying. But sometimes you may be having an off day and a hate comment might cut deeper than you'd think. Don't be ashamed of that. It's okay to be human. Remember that most who put out negative energy are depressed and angry souls really going through it. Unless you respond with empathy, you don't need to respond at all. Be better and keep your mind right and focused. And lastly, don't get overwhelmed by the numbers. It's very easy to get lost within the analytics and statistics, your channel settings, RPM, CPM, stuff like that. But never forget that behind every view is a person, and they are taking time out of their day to watch you. So make it worth their while and don't make them regret it. You got this. Keep it up. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and have a blessed day.